What's up, guys? It's Caleb. Kelly and I are going to be heading on our first cruise ever here in like 2 days, but we actually have a quick stop in Miami and never been there either. Anyways, yeah, we're heading out here in a second. Uber's almost here. I'm about to fly down to Miami. Gonna spend 24 hours there and see what Miami's all about. Alright, so we made it to the Airbnb, and we were freaking exhausted. Had a long flight, it was delayed. Love you. Let's see Miami in the morning, time to sleep. We're gonna head out to South Beach here in a minute. Rock on! And we're off. Apparently there's a free trolley that gets down to South Beach. That sounds pretty cool, but we are trying to see the beach first. We've been landlocked in Nashville. There it is. Alright, so we just got off the Miami Beach trolley. We made it to South Beach. We're about to go to the actual beach itself. Quick observation, every single person that got on there said thank you to the drivers. I thought it was pretty cool. And at one point, we were literally hearing 4 different languages at the same time. So next, we're headed that way, and that way is to the beach. So, oh, Kelly. Kelly!
Can you grab
Kelly!
Wait.
Oh man, I'm so excited. I haven't seen the ocean in a long time. Oh yes. And they're in the sand. Kelly, ready to go next stop? Alright, where are we going, Kelly? It's called what? La Sandwicheria?
Yeah.
It's right there in the red. And you said that it was highly rated. On what? The internet? Okay, that's good enough for me. Amazing sandwich shop. It was super high paced, super high rated. It was awesome. So we're heading over to Calle Ocho, which is I guess just... How did I murder it? Calle Ocho. It literally just means 8th Street.
Yeah. Little Havana area.
Get a lift over there, see what it's all about, take some photos, and keep exploring. And our lift ride is almost here. There he is, way down there. So what is this, Kelly?
Domino Park.
This is Domino Park. Oh my gosh, are all these people playing dominoes? Yes. Oh my god. right, Kelly, gonna keep walking down Little Havana.
I'm gonna keep walking and then we're gonna loop around.
You said what?
I asked if you wanted a Cuban cigar.
A Cuban cigar. I didn't even think about that. We're in Little Havana. That's sick. Okay, yeah, totally. I'll get a Cuban cigar for sure. All right, Kelly, what you got?
I just got chocolate to split.
Chocolate is split. Okay.
Something fancy, but I'm gonna get coffee in a little bit.
Hold on. Azucar ice cream. Yeah. Okay. All right. It's just been awesome to see. I just feel like, I don't know, definitely a little touristy, but at the same time, it's just really, really rich and vibrant. But I feel like I'm in a different country right now. That's pretty cool. So, here's a Cuban coffee place right across the road. We should go to their House of Cuban Coffee. Excited? What are you getting? A cortada? Colada? Oh, gotcha. Hold on. La colada. Okay. There it is. What is that?
These little cups is what you're to share. That's how much you're supposed to have.
That's what are you talking about? You're supposed to have
Recommended amount.
recommended amount for what? 18 people? What are you talking about? You said this was for us too. What? We're trying to go take a nap after this. Oh God. I'm gonna mess this up. All right. Ooh.
Good job. Drink it.
That's very strong.
Yep. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh God. It's so bad. You have to go full commit. Like you can't, there's no way to pour it. All right, so that Cuban coffee was freaking amazing. Oh my God. Tiny little cup, literally just starting to catch up with me, and I'm like getting hyped. Kelly wants an empanada, so we're stopping here before we go back to the room for a little bit. So we're gonna get that, and then we're headed back. Listen, so what we got here is an empanada. Pollo empanada. I'm excited to try it. Here we go.
See that?
There's some peppers, there's some chicken. That's very good.
Good?
Yeah, sorry. It's really good. You know, I'll eat half and you eat half?
Yes, please.
Actually, I'll just eat all this one. You get another one.
Rude.
All right, back to the Airbnb. All right, what up? So we just took a really killer nap. Our friend is having like a wedding pre-celebration / itinerary briefing thing. So we're gonna head to that, and then we're gonna hopefully try to hit Wynwood. So the Lyft driver is here, and we're about to roll. Kelly, you looking fine. Jesus Christ, oh my God, I'm so lucky. All right, let's roll. Is that us?
Yeah.
That's cute. Kelly, this is a restaurant, not the Versace mansion.
I think it's the same thing.
It's not the.
It's the same. It is.
Is it really?
Yeah, but I think
The Versace mansion is a restaurant?
I don't know, but I have a picture.
Here, read this thing.
So if you eat there, I'm guessing you can go in and look at
Oh, I gotcha.
like their.
That's pretty cool. Wynwood tomorrow morning. That's might be it for tonight. We're hungry. I'm gonna eat. All right, which way are we headed? Boardwalk. Let's go. All right, so I'm using my phone as a light out here in the boardwalk. We're out in the Miami boardwalk. It's super freaking windy. The beach is right there. You can't see it because it's dark. It's like 10 o'clock at night. This is the last thing we're gonna do before we go to bed tonight. Wake up, hit Wynwood tomorrow morning, and hopefully pick up my freaking license so I can get on the cruise. We're like walking along and we see like a skeleton of a mammoth. Like, what the heck? Let's go figure out if we can see this thing up close. This is so random. So we saw this thing from the boardwalk and it was locked to get in from the backside, so we just walked in the front of the hotel. We pretended like we had a room here and just walked right by. There's a weird carousel and now we're walking right up on it. It's crazy cool. This is not an aftermarket woolly mammoth. There's a pool. You want to go jump in it? I bet you won't. Oh wow, that pool is pretty cool. So it turns out this is a hotel, and we just walked around the front, walked in, pretended like we had a room, and walked back to the pool, saw this thing up close. It's pretty crazy, pretty wild. So Kelly broke a rule. She put a foot in a pool that did not belong to her.
It was an open gate.
Broke a rule, rule breaker. I can't take her anywhere. Back to the Airbnb, get a good night's sleep, because tomorrow, heading out the cruise. All right, packing up for the cruise. I just got a text notification that my wallet has been delivered to the...
Did we ever explain that?
As I got into the cab, I like checked my pocket, and I didn't have my wallet. I had my photo ID in it to get on the cruise. So it was like panic mode central. I left it in North Carolina when I traveled back. Drove 5 hours without a wallet. So we overnighted it to Miami, to the FedEx center that's closest to where the boat is launching from. The cruise ship. And I just got a text notification saying that it's here. Alright, we're in Wynwood.
It's cute.
The murals here are incredible. Look at these things. They're so cool. Bye, Kelly. Bye. So this is Wynwood Walls. This is awesome. Really crazy art pieces here. And Kelly. right, so we're walking around Wynwood. Wynwood is awesome. So basically it's just kind of like a hip and happening place where it's super young, a lot of like converted warehouses, and started, I guess, I don't know the history, I just Wikipedia, but it started with all of these murals that you see like around us, and they're everywhere, and incredible artwork, but there's like all these cool fashion boutiques and stuff that are around.
Let's go to get donuts.
But yeah, we're going to get donuts. Going to get donuts. Hopefully my freaking wallet is at that place. And then we're getting on a cruise. So this might be our last little bit of video in Miami specifically, and then we're getting on the cruise. So it'll be a whole nother video. Alright, so I got the bacon maple glazed donut. I'm so excited about this. She said it was super popular. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's incredible. Sweet and savory. That is amazing.
So your ideal combination.
Yeah, ideal combo right here. Salted donut gets my check. That's really, really good. Did we die? Am I in heaven right now? Hold on. Am I in heaven? This feels a lot like heaven.